Hi! It's Monday, 5 p.m. Actually, magsi-6 na. Kaya medyo madilim. And I'm going on a dinner with some of my friends. And I haven't seen them in so long. So excited to see them. I did a little of work today, pero pag uwi ko mamaya, mag-work pa ako kasi medyo marami akong tapusin pag Monday. Alam niyo naman yun. Ayun! Welcome to the vlog again. I don't wanna vlog 3. Let's go. Tonight, I'm also meeting with some of my closest friends from Rep that I've worked with during Jepoy and the Magic Circle. So, ito si Ate Jackie and si Cheska. And naging part na ng tradisyon ng bonding namin ang pagkain dito sa Sichu Malatang na do-it-yourself hot pot place dito lang din sa Eastwood. We were briefly catching up and at the same time, we were sharing our hype na we'll be able to perform Jepoy once again. Dahil we were invited to perform sa Gawad Buhay this year.
It's not as bad as the
Yay! Hello! On the way to Repertory Theater dito sa Eastwood para sa aming rehearsals because we are performing sa Gawad Buhay this July 30. So, magkakaroon lang kami ng short rehearsals for our 5-minute performance. So, I'm really looking forward to seeing my previous castmates and I'm just so excited to see them again and perform and sing with them again. Now here is Repertory Philippines' current home. It is located at Eastwood City and RTYA has just concluded their rehearsals. So sa mga hindi rin nakakaalam, yung RTYA is Repertory Theater for Young Audiences na nagsa-stage ng mga children's theater and youth-oriented productions. Talagang nakakamiss naman tong cast na to kasi we've shared this stage and this space for almost 6 months. Biruin nyo yun, from rehearsals to our shows, morning, hapon, hanggang gabi. Kaya naman we've grown so close with each other. So ngayon makikita nyo how we prepare during our rehearsals whenever we're staging a show. So in this case, in-adjust namin yung aming pyesa for our Gawad Buhay performance. We are doing vocal warm-ups, stretching, body warm-ups, and review nung aming vocal parts and yung aming blocking sa stage.
Right? One by one, let's enter our notes into the circle. Maluwag na katawan. And sopranos, go.
Rest is calling. I'm off to a wedding.
Diretso na to sa automatic. Taylor natin. Girls.
Paano naman? Partner naman. Paano naman? Parehong partner.
Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. Welcome to my channel. Today,
mo yung headrest.
mamaya, surprise yun. Pasabog yun. Today, we are here sa Aliw Theater para sa Gawad Buhay. So, how do you feel, J-Pal?
Nostalgic. I feel like a horse. You feel like a horse. Ako, I feel fishy.
Magal pa ako. Ito ba yung kainan? Barber stick.
Sa kami ni Barber sa barber. Pero pag gano'n ko, si Tita Sheila, ay,
Oh my gosh, ang sarap naman ng pagkain nyo.
wala.
Hi, vlog! Ayan. Ito yung food namin. Charot lang. Siyempre, hindi ko i-edit yun. Yeah, whatever. Kung ano yung must.
Video.
Soy daw, soy. Soy 2?
Silom nga, so
Silom soy.
Hindi ko pa na-try.
Star City na lang tayo in between.
Tara!
What if yes?
Alam mo may access dyan. May pinto dyan. Side show, side show.
Everyone is doing their own thing, preparing for our performance. Yung iba nagsusukat ng costumes, nagche-check ng wigs and headpieces, while ako naman ay nag-skincare and preparing my skin before I put on my heavy makeup for this performance. So what I really love about this show is how colorful and magical the costumes and the makeup are, na talagang mai-engage at maiinganyo yung mga bata na manood ng aming performance. It actually feels surreal right now preparing for my first Gawad Buhay performance dahil hindi ko naman inakala na aabot ako sa ganitong point in my life. Dati, wala akong kaalam-alam about theater, and when I discovered it when I was in college, I became a huge theater fan. I started Googling theater shows in Manila, watching YouTube clips of performances, and it lit a fire inside of me that made me want to pursue the thing that made me happiest.
May dinagdag lang ako na.
And now, I get to perform with these amazing artists that I really, really admire only from afar before. Pero ngayon mga kaibigan ko na sila. So it really is a testament that dreams do come true. And that's why this performance means a lot to me. And now, we are putting on the costumes. Tingnan nyo naman kung gaano kakulay at kakintab yung aming mga costumes. Diba? It's designed by Raven Ong, and tinulungan din kami nila Hershey ng costume department to bring these magical ideas to life.
It's showtime.
Every living thing, it's raining, it's shining, we're off to a wedding.
There's more coming!
Mountains bright to Mayon and Amo, worth the balang friends of the couple, a Banahaw fairy waltzing, a Sulu princess who's dancing, tortoise that's 1,000 years old, goodness up and tall with a hat that's cold, 1,000 years have all the purple creatures from the underworld. Spirit, every creature, every living thing, it's raining, it's shining, we're off to a wedding. The snow event that's quite as grand as the biggest wedding in the land. So here we stand.
You're being unfair.
You want to be good lawyers, yes? Listen. Today, I accepted a pro bono client. Mga grupo ng magsasaka, si Gualberto, si Lemuel, Minda at Pepito. Buhay kalayaan at pag-asa. Tunay na tao. yours.
Little shop of horrors, little shop of terror, little shop of horrors, no, A matchbox of our own, a fence, a real chain link. We'd snuggle watching Lucy on our big, enormous 12-inch screen.
Does it have to be human?
Me.
Does it have to be mine?
Free man.
I don't know. I don't know. He's so nasty, treating her rough.
Smacking around and always talking so tough.
You need blood and he's got more than enough.
I need blood and he's got more than enough.
You need blood and he's got more than enough.
Baby, I keep coming back. Once you hit this, then you hit rivers. Well, if love's a disease, baby, get me honest. 'Cause I keep coming back. Oh, I keep coming back. I keep coming back. I hear, I can see what I need to survive. It's to look at you and say, I love you, you're perfect, I love you, you're perfect now. Now change, Gawad buhay!
Hanggat mayroon pang hininga, hindi matapos ang laban. Iban ko may lahat ay magkakapantay-pantay. Higdan ng sagad at galing, pagkatao'y di matigdan. Mataas ang kalooban, ang inuuna ay buhay. Ang hamak ang kalooban, inuuna ang sarili. Sa tao ba? Salita ay pa. Labanan ang nakakapi.
Wala sa taas ng ilong, wala sa tinangka, wala sa taas ng tulong, kalagayan sa lupa. Kung lahat ng mga alay ay sa puso ng lahat, ang mahal na kalayaan, sisigal ang lalagan mo.
Thank you so much on behalf of Repertory Philippines and RTY's Creative and Artistic Director, Ethan Joy.
Habang nagsasalita si Ate Cara, Sunod-sunod na bumalik sa akin yung buong journey ng Jepoy and the Magic Circle. Mula sa auditions na pumasok at pumila akong may kaba at pag-asa. Yung callback na tahimik lang ako nag-celebrate kasi ayoko ma-jinx. Yung mga unang rehearsals na parang hinuhubaran ka muna ng lahat ng alam mo bago ka muling buuin bilang mas tapat na artist. Yung TDR na paulit-ulit hanggang sa pumasok sa katawan mo. Yung opening na nanginginig at naghihintay ka pero buo yung loob mo. At yung halos 100 shows. Mga araw na pagod kami, paos, may sakit, pero pipiliin pa rin umakyat ng entablado at makapagtanghal. Dahil may mga batang naghihintay. May mga matang unang beses makakakita ng teatro. Sa bawat tawa nila, sa bawat tahimik na pakikinig, doon ko na-realize na ang ginagawa namin ay higit pa sa performance lang. Nagbabahagi kami ng imahinasyon, ng tapang, ng posibilidad, at sa gitna ng lahat ng pagod at saya, doon ako naging mas mabuting artist at mas mapagkumbabang tao. Kaya habang tinatanggap namin ang award na to sa Gawad Buhay, alam kong hindi ito yung dulo. Isa lang itong sandali para huminga at sabihin sa sarili ko na salamat, kinaya mo, at handa ka pang magpatuloy.